The Unio E20 is one of the latest lightweight, high-performance folding electric bikes from Dahon. Compact design with the mid-mount motor and concealed seat post battery. Power on for a simple and stylish, comfortable riding experience. Classic Dahon frame is made of aviation aluminum alloy. Mid-mounted motor. Argon arc welding makes for strong and smooth welds. Lightweight with high mechanical strength. Lightweight and small mid-mounted torque motor. Deltec cable, patented technology. The Deltec cable optimizes single-beam folding bikes into a stable triangular shape, transforming frame force distribution. Taking on maximum stress, Deltec reduces the load on the folding frame, greatly improving service life and load-bearing capabilities. Longitudinal rigidity is also increased by 35% for all-round rigid riding. Pedaling force is more effectively converted into propulsion, reducing energy loss. An easier feel than many road and mountain bikes. Cable routing of brakes, shifters, and Deltec is clean and tidy, with no effect on folding action. Deltec is a revolution for single-beam folding bikes. The powerful motor still offers a quiet ride, perfect for urban road adventures and uphill ascents. Hidden seat tube battery design, integrated with the frame. Easily remove the battery for carrying or charging. Saves on space and improves safety and durability. Patented battery safety design. Imported high-performance Samsung lithium 36-volt 9.5 amp-hour batteries. Boasts a maximum range of approximately 100 kilometers. Thick and comfortable saddle is there to last through long rides. LCD display facilitates 5 levels of electric assist. Real-time display for speed, mileage, and battery. Equipped with post-vehicle status and intelligent identification of electric and power-assisted riding. Internal cable routing, streamlined and stylish so you can focus on your ride. Avoid interference of electric wires, brake cables, shifter cables. Telescopic inward folding stem. Smaller and more compact folding comparable with non-electric bikes. Folding and unfolding is simple, effortless, and fast with firm locking. Adapts to different rider heights and positions for a better ride. Transmission and brake system. Shimano 9-speed transmission. 52T single disc with guard. 11 to 32T flywheel. Cost-effective mechanical disc brakes. Smooth and accurate performance. Ideal speeds for your commute or rides. Wheels. Dahon custom wheel set that facilitates light and powerful acceleration. 20 by 2-inch tires give a smooth and controlled ride. Folded size, length 83 centimeters, width 37 centimeters, height 67 centimeters, weight 17.5 kilograms, light and portable, max load 105 kilograms. The price-performance ratio is a real standout on the market, perfect for urban commuting or leisurely getaways. Dahon is a brand with more than 40 years pedigree. Guinness World Record title for world's largest manufacturer of folding bikes. More than 500 multinational patents. Most folding bikes worldwide owe their heritage to Dahon's DNA. Collaborations welcome, accept no imitations. Born from Dahon's awesome folding technology with consistently excellent quality. Other products cannot compare. Choose Dahon.